Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-1 Fiance visa, and specifically a question which comes to the lips of many of my clients over the years and just folks that are kind of interested in the topic just sort of more generally, is the question, do I need to send in originals with respect to a visa application for a K-1 or a visa petition for a K-1, or will copies suffice? Well, the short answer to that question is that's going to depend on circumstances, although generally speaking, copies are often sufficient, although many times certification and authentication of those copies are also necessary with respect to a given filing. What are we talking about here? Well, there's going to be certain circumstances, unfortunately. It tends to happen in more non-routine matters, sometimes pertaining to prior criminal activity, sometimes pertaining to one's legal status as a U.S. citizen. For example, if one was born abroad under certain, how do I put it? Again, non-routine circumstances, you're gonna see circumstances where it may be required that the adjudicating officer wants to see an original document. This doesn't happen overly often, but I have seen it occur where original documentation was requested. Generally speaking, though, especially for more routine documentation, it's been my experience that copies are usually sufficient. But again, one has to go ahead and make sure that those copies are authenticated and certified in such a way that they'll be acceptable, for example, to the Department of Homeland Security or the Department of State. There are various means and methods of doing that. It's my opinion that it's probably a good idea to contact a legal professional in order to ascertain one's situation. If there really is a genuine question that's kind of a burning question, for lack of a better term, on this topic, it's probably a good idea to contact a legal professional in order to get some more information because one's circumstances may dictate whether or not copies or originals are going to be necessary within a given case.